Today we're going to go over the basic requirements for displaying your USDOT number decal. You're going to want a decal that's at least 2 inches high. It can be bigger, and it needs to be visible from 50 feet away at least. You're going to need to display it on both sides of the vehicle and in contrasting colors. So if your truck is white, something dark like black. So be sure to visit us at USDOTtrucklettering.com to see even more designs and upgrades possible. Thanks.